Hey y'all, this is Taylor and TJ with Louisiana Right to Life.
Last week, we heard a claim from a local at a New Orleans City Council meeting that, according to science, life does not begin at conception.
As someone who studies science, I know very well that life does not begin at conception. I think that's ridiculous.
In reality, life begins at fertilization. But don't take our word for it, since we're not really scientific scholars yet. Instead, we wanted to share with you some scientific realities from embryology textbooks used across the nation in schools. In the textbook, Essentials of Human Embryology, Dr. William Larson explains, human embryos begin development following the fusion of definitive male and female gametes during fertilization.
In other words, at the moment of sperm and egg fusion, a new distinct life begins.
But maybe this medical textbook is not convincing to you, so we're going to check another one just to be sure. In Langman's Medical Embryology, the author, Dr. Thomas Sadler, states, development begins with fertilization, the process by which the male gamete, the sperm, and the female gamete, the oocyte, unite to give rise to a zygote. And yet again, another embryology textbook agrees that life begins at fertilization.
But if you're still skeptical, even pro-choice philosopher Dr. Peter Singer agrees.
It is possible to give human being a precise meaning. We can use it as an equivalent to member of the species Homo sapiens. Whether a being is a member of a given species is something that can be determined scientifically by an examination of the nature of the chromosomes in the cells of living organisms. In this sense, there is no doubt that from the first moments of its existence, an embryo conceived from human sperm and egg is a human being.
Clearly, there is a consensus in the scientific and philosophical communities of when life begins.
Tune in next week as we discuss the heart of a 6-week-old embryo. Does it really have a heartbeat, or is it just pulsating cells?